Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Mig Wire Feeder Motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Professional 4 Rolls Welding Wire Feeder. Specifications: brand name, Tyrell Master. Weight, about 3.4 kilograms. Wire feeding speed, 2.5 to 21 meters per minute. Model number, SSJ11. Dimensions, expand dimension, 230 x 215 180 millimeters. Usage, MIG/mag welding wire feeding. Material, JINSLU 10 mg. Motor rated voltage, DC 24 volts. Motor rated current, 5A. Wire feeding capability, 0.8 to 1.6 millimeters /.031. 063. Item number 2 is Welding Wire Feeder DC 24 volts 4 rolls SSJ15. Specifications: brand name, Tyrell Master. Weight, about 2.99 kilograms net. Wire feeding speed, 2 to 18 meters per minute. Plug type, EU plug. Material, JINSLU 10 mg. Motor rated voltage, DC 24 volts. Motor rated current, 5A. Feeder roll capable, 0.8 to 1.6 millimeters 0.03-116. Feeder roll style, 30 by 22 by 10 mm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 1-pack JINSLU 76 XI02 of Mig Wire Feeder Motor. Specifications: brand name, JINSLU. Weight, 3 kg. Wire feeding speed, 2.0 to 24 meters per minute. Model number, 76 XI02 off. Dimensions, 30 by 25 by 25. Usage, wire feeder. Output power, 80 watts. Feeding voltage of motor, DC 24 V. Wire feeder roller, 0.8 to 2.0 millimeters. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.